Just when you thought every possible beauty gadget had been invented, I'm back with more products to clog up your cupboards. Welcome to my channel, Look 10 Years Younger. I'm 45 years old and I review various healthy aging devices, treatments and products to let you know what works and what doesn't. So today we're going to talk about a collaboration between Foreo and CurrentBody, and it's called the Cleanse and Brighten Kit. So it comprises of two products. The idea is that you would analyze and cleanse your skin and then follow up with the mask, which is going to brighten your skin. So the advantage of buying both these products together in the kit is that you save a lot of money. So if you want to buy just the Foreo Play Smart 2 on its own, it costs £58 or $80 US. And if you wanted to buy just the mask on its own, it's £275 or $385. So you can see you do get a big saving by buying them both together, but I will link them individually in case you wanted to, check that out as well. The LED mask I've actually made a review about, and you can check that out here. So a 4-month update, I would say I use this twice a week now. This has exceeded my expectations. So the amazing thing about this, it's not just LED red light, it's also infrared light as well. And it's the combination of those two that gives you such great results. So when people say this will give your skin a glow, it's such a cliche because every, product gives your skin a glow, but this literally does. And it also gives you a subtle tightening effect. And I found it really effective in two areas. Firstly, on my neck, if you've got crepiness or if you've got lines, it's quite difficult to treat. So red light will definitely kind of improve the texture of your skin. And the amazing thing I found as well is that I've got new hair growth around my hairline where I've been, strapping this to my face. So it turns out that LED red light is a hair loss treatment as well. So I use it 10 minutes on my neck, 10 minutes on my face, and then recently I've been strapping this to my head as well. So you've got this Velcro strap on the back. So this is amazing, and this gets my seal of approval. Use a green tea serum before you put the mask on because this will boost the effects by 10 times. So that's proved by NASA. All this science is really super interesting. But CurrentBody also sell this green tea. You can see it's half empty because I use this. The Foreo Smart Play 2 does two things. First of all, it analyzes your skin. It tells you your skin type, and then it's a cleanser as well. So why would you need this? Well, first of all, this is made of ultra hygienic, bacteria resistant silicone. It's soft, it deep cleanses, but it's not abrasive at all. It's more effective and cleanses deeper than just using your hands or brush to cleanse your skin. And they say it removes 99.5% of dirt, oil, sweat, and makeup. So this is really good for you if you wear a lot of makeup and at the end of the day you like to go to bed with a feeling like your skin's really deeply cleansed. So it would also be good if you've got acne and you like that really kind of deep cleansing at the end of the day. I find it great because it really helps to remove sunscreen. So we should all be using sunscreen 365 days a year, right? Remember? So this will help to remove that, which I found, really good. So the other really cool thing that this does is that it analyzes your skin. So you download the Foreo app and you link the device to your phone via Bluetooth and it will communicate with it. So on the app, if you select advanced measurement, you start with your forehead, and these two 24-karat gold plated probes will measure the moisture content in your skin. So you hold it against your skin and it takes 10 seconds to measure your skin type, and it says it's giving me an 11% score, very dry. Then you go to your right cheek and it starts measuring, and that is saying dry. Then you go to your jawline and it measures that. It says dry. And then my left cheek, I was actually surprised that my skin is so dry. It's not something that I just assumed my skin was normal or, maybe combination, but it's quite interesting to, have your skin analysed in this way. Again, it says that the other cheek is dry as well. So all this information is saved by Bluetooth in this device. So next time you turn this on, it will know how to cleanse your skin. So it will, pulsate however many times for dry skin or oily, you know, whatever your skin was, on each part of your face. So you disconnect it from the app when you want to use it, and it's waterproof, so you can use this in the shower. So you wet your face, apply your cleanser, you can wet this as well, and then you press the button on the back and it starts pulsating, and you just hold it in each area and it will automatically stop. It will pause when it's cleansed that area. So it vibrates. It's quite relaxing, it's quite soothing. It is quite pleasant to use, I have to say. And then it stops, and then you go to the next area. Then it stops, you go to the next area and the next area. It's about 15 seconds per area, so it's really quick, really easy to use. So the negative about this little device is that, firstly, when I got it, I really hate the fact that the packaging is this hard plastic. It's like a CD case, and that can't be recycled, so that's not good. Also, the text on the back is really, really small and difficult to read. It's not that clear. And I was looking for the first 10 minutes. I opened it, I was like, well, where's the charger? Where's the batteries? You know, how do I charge this? Where's the cable? It doesn't come with anything. So basically this will last for 1,000 uses, then you throw it away, which means it's going to go to landfill. And I don't really like that idea. Considering it's a Swedish company, they're normally really good with eco products, but they do other similar devices which you can charge as well. So it's just this one you can't charge. Also the silicone, I don't think you can recycle it, and you can't pull individual pieces to recycle. So, but anyway, that's just my own opinion. It's worth getting them together because you're going to save money by buying the, you know, Cleanse and Brighten kit. So thank you very much for watching. If you use any of these products, let me know how it's going for you, particularly if you've had any hair growth from the red light, or maybe you haven't even realised that it's coming from the red light. I find that super interesting. I'm going to make another video on that. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the bell and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.